The Outsunny 80-gallon compost bin offers a genuinely roomy capacity so backyard gardeners can process a large volume of kitchen scraps and yard waste without constantly emptying it. Its panel design with multiple ventilation openings on every side promotes steady airflow, helping organic material break down faster and more evenly than in a closed pile. Under typical conditions, it can turn everyday food leftovers and garden clippings into usable compost in only several weeks, making it a practical way to improve soil while cutting down on trash. The walls and base are made from sturdy weather-resistant plastic that feels solid once assembled, giving the bin enough durability to stay upright and functional through changing seasons. Assembly is straightforward because the interlocking pieces snap together without tools, so most people can set it up quickly even if they are new to composting. A fitted lid helps keep animals out, reduces odors, and keeps the contents contained during windy weather, which makes the unit easier and cleaner to live with in a typical yard.